In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money using Sendwave, updated for 2025. Let's dive in and look at how easy it is to get started with sending money quickly and securely using this innovative app. First, head over to the Sendwave website or open the Sendwave app on your device. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Continue to Send. This will lead you to the starting point of managing your financial transactions through the platform. It's designed to guide you smoothly into the next steps by providing essential options at each stage. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and the purpose of opening the account. You'll also provide your billing address, which includes your zip code, city, and state. Ensure that all the information you provide matches your official documents to avoid issues later on. The platform is very secure, so rest assured your information is in safe hands. Once you've entered all your information, click on Finish. This step confirms your entries and logs them into the system. It's always a good idea to double-check everything you've entered before proceeding to ensure accuracy and avoid any potential delays in the process. Now, let's move on to selecting the primary reasons for your transaction. Identifying why you're transferring money will help the app tailor the best solutions and options for your specific needs. Be truthful and precise when selecting your reasons. This is also a requirement for compliance and helps maintain the platform's safety standards. After specifying the reasons, click on Continue to move on to the identity verification process. This is a crucial step to protect you and your finances, ensuring that your transactions are legitimate and approved by Sendwave. You'll then select your country and choose the type of document you'll use for verification. This can be a passport, driver's license, or any government-issued ID. Select the one that's most convenient for you and ensure that it's valid and not expired. Click on Continue to proceed with the document verification. Then, initiate the identity verification process by clicking on Start. This step might include confirming your identity through different methods that ensure it's you making the transaction. After successfully verifying your identity, click on Done. This signifies that you have completed this important step, officially linking your verified status with your account. Finally, you'll need to record a short video of your face within the app to further confirm your identity. This face recording step is another layer of protection that ensures compliance with security protocols. Once that's done, you can proceed to continue to send. You're now set up and can enjoy the convenience of sending money with Sendwave. This wraps up our comprehensive walkthrough, and you're ready to make your first transaction with confidence.